Primetime news this evening. Tragedy at Clancarty Primary School. One student dead, another injured by an overturned garbage truck. Should the government force residents to leave their homes during a hurricane? A Primetime News special report. And labor unrest at UTEC starting to frustrate students. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. New rules coming for public boards. We'll tell you when and exactly what those rules are. So join me later on in the business day.
All right, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Jordan for what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, former St. Ledger and the Super Stakes winner Big Daddy Cool died suddenly after exercise this morning at Caymanas Park. I'll give you a lot more details of that and more in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
This evening, we are asking, would you support mandatory evacuation if a hurricane is threatening? Why or why not?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.